Warrior music, reggae music, Jamaican choose it, European, American, and the Caribbean. Whoa, yo. Rasta got soul, reggae music rocking my bone. My bone, it's never getting old. Reggae music more and more and more. No, you can't influence me if you go do another thing for me. But reggae music me and sing. Some don't know the history and don't know the thing. Big mouth them no stop blabbering. Enough now show respect to the elder them. We have to crown them heights them as a great legend. You can't come tell me say you are the man when reggae music you no understand. Boy, enough of them don't know about the music. Them just a hustle and a try to abuse it. Boy, them just wanna see it, them want to read. And I sell we all cheap. Respect to the youths, them we bust from the ghetto across the road. Them mad reggae music a echo, echo. For them a bandwagonists, them can't follow this. Listen the lion, we are got soul. Reggae music rocking my bone. My bone, it's never getting old. Reggae music more and more and more. When the reggae touch Italy and Germany, Rasta I bring out the ceremony. All over in a room eating down a Cali. I was say them I'm sure me no see nobody. This is not a competition, check division. Reggae music no cause no friction. No friction, why yo? Rasta got soul. Reggae music rocking my bone. My bone, it's never getting old. Reggae music more and more and more. Rasta got soul. Reggae music in me bone. Me got soul. And that me one that we know. Rasta got soul. Lord. Reggae music in me bone. Rasta got soul. Lord. Reggae music in me bone. So big up the legend called Bob Marley. Big up the legend when named Peter Tosh. Big up the legend Bunny Wailer. And big up the legend Jacob Miller. Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac, Alton Ellis. Many are gone but not forgotten. Not forgotten. Rasta got soul. Reggae music rocking my bone. My bone, it's never getting old. Reggae music more and more and more. Big up a young legend, them me say like Capleton. Sis like a Lanchi, Bunty, Beanie Man, Dan Gagan, Quality, Shabaranti, Grammy Man. Freddie McGregor, Cocotee, Berry San Luciana. Now forget Buju Banton. And there is so much more to mention. Turbulence and Fantan. I will Shaggy Sean Paul, big up yourself. If me no call your name, please catch me in the next song. Oh yo, cause the list of the name too long. Rasta got soul. Soul, Lord. Rasta got soul. Lord. Soul, Lord. We got soul. Lord. We got soul. Lord. Rasta got soul. We got soul. Lord. Rasta got soul. Reggae music rocking my.
Humanity should be our race, and love for our religion, not Christianity, nor Muslims or Buddhists, but humanity should be our race, and love be our religion. Wagwan.